Good afternoon, student. In today's video, we are going to study about the continuation of our last video, that is the classification of class mammals or class Mammalia. Okay, we have already completed subclass 1, that is Prototheria. Prototheria consist of or contain order 1, that is Monotremata. Monotremata includes spiny anteater, platypus are the examples of monotremata. Then subclass 2 Theria, which will be classified into infraclass, which is classified into infraclass 1 Metatheria, which will be included Marsupialia, that is the order 1 Marsupialia, that is the pouch containing organisms, pouched mammals, for example kangaroo, okay, tiger cat, then marsupial, mole, kangaroo. These are the examples of Marsupialia. Then we have completed infraclass 2 Eutheria. Infraclass 2 Eutheria consists of true placental mammals, and they are included in this. There are total 16 orders which are included in infraclass 2 Eutheria. From the 16 order, we have already completed order 1 Insectivora, order 2 Dermoptera, order 3 Chiroptera, order 4 Primates, order 5 Edentata, order 6 Polydota, then order 7 Loligomorpha, and order 8 Rodentia. So now in today's lecture we are going to complete remaining orders, that is from order 9 to order 16. Order 9 Cetaceae, that is Cetos, or in Greek the Cetos, or in Latin Cetus means a whale. Okay, so they are medium size to a very large aquatic mammals. Okay, in our last orders we were doing with the dealing with the volant, true volant mammals, that are Dermoptera and Chiroptera, that are beds, and then we have done the terrestrial. Okay, but here the Cetaceae will include an aquatic mammals. Okay, their body is usually fish like. The body will be covered with the hairy covering on a skin, and is reduced to a few bristles on the muzzle. Okay, head is long, often pointed without a neck, and the eyes are minute. Nostrils are placed on the top of the head, and ears will be opening. Ear openings are very minute and without the external ears. Okay, the forelimbs are modified as pedals. Digits are enclosed in a common integument that devoid of claws. Hind limbs are entirely absent, whereas the tail is long, ending into a broad, transverse, fleshy flukes notched in the middle line, and it is used in a swimming. Okay, they will be also having a fleshy dorsal fin, which is present in some forms, and dorsal and tail fins have no skeletal elements. A thick layer of a fat that is known as a blubber, BLUBPER, is present beneath the skin, and this is very important in maintaining the body temperature. Okay, then bones of the skull are spongy and contains lots of fat. Stomach is complex and consists of 3 or 4 chambers. Testes are abdominal. Placenta is non-deciduous and a diffuse type. Examples which are included or living Cetaceae, which Cetaceae is divided into 2 suborder, Odontoceta and Mycetacea. Mycetacea. Okay, that will be included the whole bone whales, and Odontoceta will include a 2/3 whales. Okay, then next order is order Carnivora. Caro means flesh or vore means eat. So they are flesh eating organism. Okay. They have a small to large quadrupeds, terrestrial, arboreal or even aquatic, predatory, flesh eating mammals. So the organism which are classified in a carnivora will be having a large quadrupeds, terrestrials, either terrestrial, even they are arboreal, plus aquatic organisms with a predatory behavior, and flesh eating mammals are included in order 10 Carnivora. Okay. The teeth generally have a sharp and cutting edges. Canines are large and fang like for tearing the flesh. Okay. The incisors are small and always 3 on each side in each jaw. Molars are used for cutting the flesh. Then toes or digits never less than 4, and all have strong and sharp claws. Okay. Living carnivores are divided into suborder Fissipedia and Pinnipedia. Fissipedia will include Panthera leo, Panthera tigris, leopards, that is that is hunting leopards. Then all wolf, fox are classified into Fissipedia. Then Pinnipedia will include sea lion, common seal, fur seal. Okay. Then order 11 in termed as Tubulidenata. Okay. Tubulus means tube-like and denus means tooth. So they have a tube-like tooth. Body is stout, somewhat pig-like. Okay. And skin is very thick, covered with the sparse hair. Snout is long and tubular with a round nostril at the tips. Tongue is slender and protrusible. Ears are long, erect and pointed. Milk teeth numerous, and permanent teeth are only 4 to 5, that is without the enamel, and perforated by numerous tubules of a pulp. Okay. And here the digits, that is, are in 4 to 5 in number with the heavy claws. Examples: this order will include one living genus, that is Oriceteropus. Okay. That are found in South Africa. The image is shown. Then next is the order 12, Proboscideae. Pro means in front and boskin to it. So they are the largest and highly specialized terrestrial mammals. Skin is thick and sparsely covered with the hair. Long proboscis or trunk, which is an elongation of a nose, and an upper lip bears a nostrils at the tip. Eyes are small, ears are very large. Legs are large, pillar-like, and bear 5 functional digits with a small nail-like hoof on both forelimbs plus hind limbs. Okay, and they will be having a 2 incisor teeth on the upper jaw, developed into a grey tusk. Canines are altogether absent. Molars are lophodont. Dental formula will be incisor 1/0, canine absent. Premolar is 3/3 and molar is 3/3. Testes are abdominal in position. Examples are Elephantus maxima, that is Indian or Asiatic elephant, African elephants. Okay. And the extinct mammoths and mastodon is also placed in the order 12, Proboscideae. Then next order is order 13, Hyracoideae. This hyrax means shrew and eidos means form. So this organism which are included in order 13 Hyracoideae will be having a shrew-like form. Okay, they are small guinea pig like animals with a split snout. Ears are short and the tail is much reduced. Legs will be short with the 4 digits in the forelimbs and 3 in the hind limbs. Testes are abdominal. Dental formula is incisor 1/2, canine 1/0. Premolar is 4/4 and molar is 3/3. Examples are Procavia, that is a hyrax. The picture which is placed at the right hand side, corner of the right hand side is of Procavia, that is hyrax. Okay. Next order is Sirenia. Serine means sea nymph. So they are the large herbivorous aquatic mammals commonly known as a sea cow. Okay. Body is spindle shaped with the paddle like forelimbs. Hind limbs are absent. Tail will be flattened with the horizontal lateral slopes with or without notch. Nostrils are on the upper surface of the blunt snout. They will be having a few hairs over the body. Stomach is complex, that is consists of several chambers. Testes are abdominal. Examples is Dugonग. The image that is placed at the right hand corner of the slide is of the Dugonग. Okay, that is sea cow. The next order 15 is Perissodactyla. Perissos means odd and dactylos means toes. So they will be having a odd toes. Okay, odd means 1, 3. Okay, like this. So they will be having a large size odd toed hoof. Mammals or ungulates. Toes 1 or 3. The middle third digits of the fore and the hind limb is preeminent and carries most of the weight, whereas the teeth are lophodont. Incisors present in both jaws. Stomach is simple. Okay. Example is Equus cabellus, that is a horse. Equus zebra, that is a zebra. Tapirus tapir. The image which is shown in the right hand corner of the slide is of the tapirus, that is tapir. Okay. Then last order is order 16 Order 16 Artiodactyla. Artios means even and dactylus means digits. So they will be having even numbers of digits. In Sirenia, they were in Perissodactyla they were having odd toes, but here what happened, they will be having a even digits. Okay. Terrestrial, and they are terrestrial and semi-aquatic with the even toed hoofed mammals. Okay. 4 limbs and the hind limbs bears 2, rarely 4 digits. Are selenodont or gonodont. Incisors and canines in upper jaws are usually absent. Stomach is complicated with the 4-chambered, except pig and pecarious. All chew or ruminant their cud. Okay. For example, hippopotamus, horse of the river. Sus, that is a pig. Dicotylus, pecarious. Camellus, that is a camel. Cervus, that is a deer. All these are even giraffe, that is a giraffe. Antelope, black buck, that is black buck. Cow, buffaloes, ovis means sheep, ox, goat, yak, all are placed or classified under the order 16 Artiodactyla. Okay. With this we have completed the classification of class Mammalia. If you have any question regarding the classification of class Mammalia, then please let me know. Thank you.